Go ahead and wash up, dear. The water is cold, but the fire is warm.
It feels good to be inside.
Drink up, child. It's warm. It is perfect, thank you. It's so much fun here, but this place is dangerous too. I'm so glad we're inside tonight. The wind sounds awful.
It does. We are lucky to have this shelter and each other.
I want to go outside and walk around, maybe go to the market to collect some supplies. We will take this piece right here. There.
Very well. That is 5 pounds exactly.
He is a beautiful cat, isn't he?
He's perfect. We have to take him with us.
Got him. We must hurry, it's freezing.
It's good to finally rest by the fire.
Yes, it's so warm in here. Almost done here. Are you sure you're not eating too much before dinner?
It just smells so good, Grandma.
It was so much fun. We really chilled today.